Hello, how you doing? Really simple eggs today with cabbage. We've got ginger in there. It's delicious. Nice kind of breakfast idea. I mean, I love that for breakfast. Really beautiful. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got my white cabbage there. There's about 6 cups there. Shredded it quite thin, as you can see. 2 cups of onion, a tablespoon of garlic, and 2 tablespoons of ginger, fresh ginger that I've cut into nice kind of little sticks like that. Let's get moving. A few more bits to add, of course. Okay, so I've got here a kind of wok type thing. You're going to need a kind of fairly large skillet. In there I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. Use a different oil if you want. I've just put the heat on. We're on above medium. And in goes first the ginger and the garlic, followed by the onion. We're going to add some salt and black pepper. Now I'm keeping this really simple. You could be adding a bit of kind of star anise to this if you wanted, or some 5 spice, some fresh chili. Gonna go really, really simple on this one. Okay, about 3 minutes. Keep it moving there. Great stuff. Simply, we're gonna drop in our shredded white cabbage. You could get some other vegetables in here. You get some carrots, maybe some mushrooms, some bell peppers, you know, if you want to kind of add a bit more variety to it. We're going to stir fry this now for 4 to 5 minutes. We're well on our way. So simple and delicious. So you can see that the cabbage is cooked down nicely. Simply, we're going to add our eggs. So I've got 4 eggs here beaten, and in they go. Think about a little bit of oyster sauce in there, a little bit of fish sauce, a little bit of soy. It's up to you. I'm going to, like I say, keeping it really simple today. And then cook your eggs however you want. I like my eggs well done, so I'm going to go for about another 3 or 4 minutes. Fantastic. There you go, didn't take long at all, did it? Absolutely beautiful, really simple ginger cabbage eggs. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.